guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the stay-at-home ginger, and today I am doing an unboxing of the Allie Glines makeup bag. Say hi.
Hi.
He's helping me. This is my Vanna White, my helper, right?
Yeah.
I already have one of her collections. I have the classic bag collection, but I have the scissors. They're right here. I just ordered last week, not even a week ago, so the shipping was awesome. The plastic bag and then the full bag. I just ordered the full bag collection.
I cut it.
I'm gonna cut it, okay? Mommy's gonna cut it. Okay.
My back.
You gonna come? Oh, you patting my back? Thank you. You helping me out? Such a good helper. So I'm very excited for these bags. I love my classic bags. I will show you those in a second. But yeah.
Hi.
Thanks for being here. And
Thanks for being here.
And let's get right into it.
Get in it.
So before I get right into it, I just wanted to talk. Allie Glines, if you don't follow her, is a beauty YouTuber. She taught me pretty much everything I know about makeup, and she's the sweetest, most relaxing person to watch on YouTube. I love like watching her videos while I'm getting ready early in the morning. She's just, stop touching that. She's awesome, and I love that she made these bags. They're so smart and sleek and clean, and I'm just excited to share them with you. So this is the set that I already have. This is the classic bag collection. So it is this pretty decent size bag, and it came with this small bag and this small bag. So they both fit in there. Mine's kind of a mess right now, but I love, 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 love this bag and these bags. Ooh, can I have the scissors, please? I like to keep all my ColourPop Super Shock shadows in this little bag. They fit perfectly. And my other one, as I said, is a mess right now, but I like to keep all of my powder products in here. So my setting powders, highlighters, blush, stuff like that. So that is the bag that I currently have. And now we're gonna open up the new one. It's gonna be giant, and it's gonna be wonderful, and I'm very excited. She also has these bags in gray. I like the pink one. It's like a pale, super pretty classic pink color, but she has them in gray also if you prefer that color. Let's see. This is my receipt. Ooh, it's a box inside a box.
You open it.
It's like Christmas. So like Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Woo! Woo! The other thing I love is that her bags come in these. It's like Christmas.
Christmas.
It is. Her bags. Here, watch out. Watch out. Come over here with Mama. Come over here. Her bags come in these beautiful, like, satiny, gorgeous bags.
Wow.
Wow, beautiful.
You open it.
I am opening it in it. Oh, it's huge. Oh my gosh. It's like a makeup briefcase. Here, do you want to play with the bag? No, you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I open this one.
Okay, rip it up. Rip it apart. There we go. Oh, these bags are so sturdy. They are easy to clean if you get makeup on it. You just take some water, wipe it off. Can I have it, please? Thank you. So this is the size of the full bag collection. I also love the zippers. They're like rose gold zippers. They're beautiful. I'm gonna take the little plastic parts off there. So there is what these zippers look like. If I can focus. They're beautiful and they're sturdy. And I like that there's two that you can open up rather than having one that goes all the way to one side, you know? Honey, don't play with those, baby. Oh my goodness. It is giant. It's beautiful. Christmas. It's Christmas. Wow. Okay, so these two came in the classic one that I have. So now I have 4 total. Yeah, you can take one of those, okay? And then it comes with this really, really nice zipper You gonna take all of them? Okay. It comes with this really nice zippered compartment right here. Gosh, it's wonderful. So this is the bag on its own. Lovely, huge. Honey, can I have those, please? So that is the full, keep them in there for now, okay? That is the full bag collection. Next to, I don't know if I can hold this one up, the one I already have, which is the classic. So you can see kind of the size difference and the amount of storage space that you get. One thing I really like about this one is you can fit pallets in it. You can fit like big pallets if you lay them flat, or you can fit small, hey, don't throw my chapstick. You can fit small ones down the sides. Even with these in here, you can fit a good amount of stuff around it if you're really like trying to stuff stuff in there. So I just, I love this so much. So for pricing, they are a bit pricey for makeup bags, I guess, but the quality, it is so worth it. I've never bought expensive makeup bags in my life. I just kind of buy something from Walmart and I'm good to go. But these are so like classy and beautiful, and like they just work so well. You don't even have to just use them for makeup. You can use them, I know, I'm pretty sure Allie Glines puts nail polish in here. You can stand up your nail polish in here. So you can fit, you can do anything with these. It doesn't just have to be makeup, and they're beautiful. So for pricing, the full bag collection, which is this giant one, is $84. And the classic bag collection, which is the one that I've had, the smaller one, is $58. Or you can just get, amazing, thank you, baby. You can get this size bag for $34, or one of these small bags for $24. So no, don't press buttons. Don't press buttons. Like I said, I guess it's a little bit pricier, but it's worth it. And these things, like, I don't want to beat this up because it's my precious. But they're sturdy. You can tell they're gonna last a very long time, and I love that you can see what's inside them. I love that you can set it on your makeup desk or your vanity or your sink in your bathroom, and it's okay if it gets wet because it's this leathery material. Speaking of material, let me read if the website says anything about. So for material, it says Saffiano PU, clear PVC and polyester. I don't know what that means, but it's sturdy. It's gonna hold up. And for the full bag collection, again, this giant one that I just bought, it says, our patent pending full bag collection is the solution to any situation. This system can be used at full capacity or can be broken down into smaller standalone bags to fit all of your needs. We even made sure to leave extra space in the full outer bag to layer in large eyeshadow palettes. Possibilities are endless, and it's so true. I'm gonna be able to fit my entire makeup collection probably in these bags. I just love them so much, and Allie Glines, you're the bomb. I love you. I love everything about you, and I love these bags so much. They got her name right there, Allie Glines, and like I said, it's got a little handle. You can carry it. Your little makeup briefcase. I think this one's got a handle too. Yep, they both have handles. I just love them so much. Also, can we talk about how beautiful... Stop it! Can we talk about how beautiful Allie Glines is? Let me see. If you don't follow her, you should. Like, if you love makeup and you like following beauty accounts, you need to follow Allie Glines. She's beautiful, and her tips and tricks, like, she's taught me so much. That's mainly why I watch her, is because she's so informative and just really teaches you about makeup. And it's just about makeup. It's not about drama. It's not about beauty community drama or things that are going on in the world. It's just Allie teaching you how to wear makeup and reviewing makeup, and she's just beautiful. Now I'm gonna bring you along and show you, I don't know how I'm gonna organize these bags yet. Got a lot of makeup, and I just recently reorganized my makeup collection, but I'm gonna do it all over again because I want to use these bags and utilize these amazing bags. So let's go do that. So this is kind of what I got going on right now. I've got most of my makeup in there, not including like all my lip products and all my palettes and everything. And then I just got this all spread out in front of me, and I'm gonna figure out how I want to do it. I'm gonna do a little speed through of putting everything where I want to put it. Oh! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And then I will show you guys and explain to you how I organized everything. So let's try and do this. So I don't know if this is how I'll keep it. I kind of have to see what works for me. But so right now I have the 4 smaller bags, and then this one just kind of set aside. This is just some random stuff that I use every day. Mascara, brow stuff, lip liner, all that good stuff. And then in here right now, I've got this, which is all of my setting powders, highlighters, and bronzers. And then over here, I've got all my blushes. And then I've got all my Super Shock shadows in this one. And then all my foundations, concealers, and primers in this one. And then I just want to show you, like, how much you could fit. These things are, like, ideal for traveling, because you can fit these big palettes just on top, or you could put them under. And you can fit stuff. You can fit stuff on the side, like that just fits all snug there. You can fit stuff over here. You can put stuff in there. Like, it's all you need for travel. We got all my brushes out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's really amazing. So you could have the 4 small ones in here. That is a brush, honey.
Look at brushes.
I see it. Good job. You could do the small ones, or you could do like that. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this way. I kind of like to have my everyday makeup stuff all in one bag, so I might use this bag for my everyday makeup stuff, just so it's all in one bag for me to grab, and then everything else can be kind of organized into its little compartments like that. And then I still have this bag to use. This is the one that all my stuff was in. I mean, the options, the possibilities are endless, just like it said on Allie's website. So another thing that I could do is put all my palettes in here. I'm pretty sure my biggest palette would fit in here. Let me go grab it. You're back in my makeup?
Yeah.
Can I sit there, please? You have goldfish on your chin. I can't take you seriously. So I just fit I fit all my big palettes in here, and that will zip up. I've got like my bite-sized palettes and some smaller palettes, but every single one of my eyeshadow palettes fits in here. So you really, what is what, baby? That is Brazilian Bum Bum cream. You really don't need any other storage if you get these bags. Even just this collection, I mean, it depends on how big your makeup collection is. Mine's a little ridiculous for the average person, but it is what it is. I love these bags so much. And again, you also have the storage from these beautiful satin bags that she sends the bags in. So I just love these bags so much. So that is it. That is the full bag collection and the classic bag collection from Allie Glines in the color pink. I love these bags. I totally recommend them. I don't think I will ever use anything else to store my makeup. I might not even need the little stand-up thing that I keep all my makeup in.
I jump with you.
You jump with me. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.
Watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Toy this beautiful.
And I highly recommend these Allie Glines bags.
Allie Glines.
Allie Glines.
Allie Glines.
Go give her a follow on Instagram or YouTube if you need some makeup tips. I learned everything. YouTube. I learned everything I know about makeup from her mostly, and I just love her. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you. Subscribe.
Like. And comment.
And comment.
Before you go.
Before you go.
And I appreciate all the love and support.
Of your support.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I love you.
Hey, pause that.
Pause it. Okay, look. Pause it.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand.